and who was fear. Okay, deep water. Actually, it is the story of a narrator, and actually, he was afraid of going into the water. He has a fear of water. All during his childhood, when he was during his childhood, first of all, mother she told there was one Yakima river. It is very treacherous, dangerous, rather you can say. And she told that not to go in that room because that river has taken lives of many people. Many people they lost life in this Yakima river. So he was instead of actually making her bold, instead of clearing her doubts, removing her fear, his fear, the mother started telling about the danger this about this river and told that not to go into that river. उस river में ना जाएंगे. And secondly, when he was just in the childhood, during his childhood, he went to with his father California Beach. California Beach. His father. He was just 2 3 years old. He was in the lap of father. अपने father की गोद में था. And a strong wave it came. एक wave वहां पर आई and it swept him. He was just into the water. और it swept over him. उसके ऊपर से वो wave थी जो पानी की लहर थी. It went over and he was lost in the water first for a time being. And he had a great fear after that of the water. He started fearing of water after that. Of course, the father took very lightly. He was even laughing, but he did not know what happened to his mind, that child mind. During the childhood, he has a great fear of the water. पानी का उसको काफी डर लगने लगा था. These were the two reasons. But he was a very normally we heard that winners never quit. Winners never quit. That's why they are winner. So he tried to win over the fear. Now he tried to conquer his fear. अपने fear को उसने हटाने की कोशिश की. First he joined YMCA pool. Actually YMCA, some young man Christian association something. YMCA pool, that is swimming pool. YMCA swimming pool. In that he joined, and it was very means this pool was built keeping in views all the new swimmers जितने भी new swimmers थे उनके ध्यान में रख के ये बनाया गया. Okay, with the new swimmer, ये new swimmer की whatever the requirement and all, it was one side it was just 2 feet, 2 feet, and maximum it was 9 feet, and it was a very gradual. This was deep was very gradual height. Okay, deep was very gradual height. Okay, keeping in view the requirement of the new swimmer, and this was new. It was very suitable actually, and he started going into the water. First of all, he was fearing to for removing his clothes and all because he was very lean and thin, and he did not want to show his body and all. अपनी body नहीं दिखाना चाहता था. But anyhow, he controlled it over because he wanted to remove the fear of water. पानी का जो डर था, he wanted to conquer this fear. उसके ऊपर विजय प्राप्त करना चाहता था. He wanted to swim in the water. पानी में swim कर because if he's not swimming, he will be losing many sports game, water sports game, and fishing and all sort of enjoyment. This will not be there if he is afraid of water. अगर वो पानी से डरता है तो वो इस तरह की चीजें नहीं कर सकता. That's why he joined this vibe, and this pool was very suitable for a new learner, नए learner के लिए, and it was made keeping in view the requirement of a new learner. नए learner की requirement को देखते हुए ये बनाया गया. Okay, and one day he went there. He was alone. एक दिन वो अकेला ही था वहां पर alone. He was sitting there, and again he was not having a courage. He was not having courage to go into the water. So what did he do? He just waited. वहां पर उसने केवल इंतजार किया. And when he was sitting there, there was 15 years old boy, very rather than say healthy, 15 years boy. He came and just he made a joke. Yes, Skinny, how are you? And why don't you swim into the water. आप पानी में क्यों नहीं तैरते? He lifted him and threw him into the water. इसमें this 15 years old boy he came. He was alone sitting there and waiting someone to come because he was not having dare to go into the water alone. पानी में जाने की उसकी अकेली हिम्मत नहीं थी and he just could not do anything except wait. कोई कुछ नहीं कर सका, सिर्फ इंतजार कर रहा था. But by the time of 15 years old, very rather can say strong boy, muscles boy, he came here and he just threw him into the water. पानी में उसको उसने डाल दिया. Now he was not having any choice because he was very strong. He had threw him into the water. पानी में डाल दिया. Now he started making plan. He started making plan. This was 9 feet. This was 9 feet. ये 9 feet है. इसका वो है. And this one, this thing. And he threw him into that. And he was making plan. Okay, how he would come out. वो कैसे यहाँ से बाहर आएगा. Because slowly when he joined, his fear it was little bit. He was conquered. He was overcome all his. He tried to overcome, and he was successful also in that. थोड़ा सा successful भी था. But finally, when he threw him, it was 9 feet. He threw him into the water, and he started making plan. Okay, what he will do. When his feet touched the floor, he would push himself अपने आप को ऊपर की तरफ with full force he will give with a jerk. When he would touch the floor, जब वो इसको floor को touch करेगा with full power, full strength, he would try to come up. वो आने की कोशिश करेगा. I mean, this was the planning when he was going into the water. But when he went into the water and he touched his feet, first of all, this 9 feet, it was looking like a 90 feet. 90 feet की तरह नजर आ रहा था when he started moving. He was unable to come out. वो बिल्कुल नहीं. His mind was working, but all he was having a problem. He tried to call. Here actually he went 3 times. He went 3 times and there were different reactions. All the 3 बार वो नीचे गया और ऊपर. मतलब he could not come out. Finally he became senseless. फिर बिल्कुल वो senseless हो गया. So what did he do? First time, this can be in detail. We will go when question will be discussed at that time. But 3 times he went. First time when he was doing, he was making plan how he will come out. कैसे वो अंदर की तरफ, कैसे वो touch करते हैं यहाँ पर ऊपर, he will come over to the water and he will swim to the corner और उसके corner पे and he will come out. This was his plan. But when he went inside, he tried to push up. This 90 feet it was coming. It looked like a 90. 9 feet looked like a 90 feet, and he could not come. But anyhow, when he was about to lose his sense, जब वो अपनी बेहोशी होने वाला था, his nose came out. यहाँ पर उसका nose came out from the water. पानी से ऊपर आ गया. He had a deep breathing, but he was trying to come, and all of a sudden something was pulling her, ऐसा pulling down. उसको नीचे जा रहा था. And again he was going. He swallowed lot of water. उसने काफी पानी swallow कर लिया था, निगल लिया था. And his lungs and all it was full of water about to pass. And his mind was, but his mind was active. And his all limbs, organs of the body almost stopped working. काम करना बंद कर दिया. And finally, when he went, he tried this time because his mind was working. And he tried once again. Okay, I'll try once more, and I'll try to come out. But he could not. And finally, when he was when he was losing sense, जब अपने उसको बेहोश हो रहा था, he was becoming unconscious, and he has surrendered himself. उसने अपने आप को surrender कर दिया था. And he was just मतलब feeling the death. And at that time he stopped any sort of effort. किसी भी तरह के उसने effort बंद कर दिए थे. He was in a complete peace, बिल्कुल शांति थी. Because he thought that his chapter of life is over. उसकी life का जो chapter है वो खत्म हो गया. Okay, but he became unconscious and he lost it. But when he came to sense, actually after that, when he came to sense, somebody has removed him from the water. किसी ने इसको पानी से निकाल दिया. When he came to sense, he found that he was lying upside down. Upside down in the sense, upturned, उल्टा पड़ा हुआ था, and he was vomiting. वो पानी उसके मुंह से निकल रहा. And even some people, they were talking there that he might have died there. कि वो शायद वहाँ मर जाता है. He was not saved him in time. अगर हमने उसको टाइम पे नहीं बचाया होता तो he would have died there. वहाँ पर वो मर जाता. That was the feeling that he heard about the people. Now he was feeling very weak. He went home. On that day he did not eat anything. उसने उस दिन कुछ भी नहीं खाया, कुछ भी नहीं खाया. And he just kept weeping, rota रहा and all these things. And then he was feeling first of all very weak. He was unable to move there. Anyhow he went home. He slept there. And again he was having a fear of water. Means he did not go to YMCA pool after that. उसके बाद वो बिल्कुल नहीं गया. Such a fear, again the same fear, because first time the fear comes when a wave, seesaw, actually you can say, seesaw, okay. When a strong wave, it come and swept over him. उसके ऊपर से एक strong wave जो लहर थी पानी की उसके ऊपर से चली गई थी. And he was lost in the water. He was lost in the water almost, and his father took very easily. At that time, actually, in his mind, his fear actually occurred. It remained permanently, and he was having a fear of water. पानी का हमेशा उसको डर रहता था. And then after this, and he went there. Now, because he was unable to go to the water and all, he was fearing of water. So he was losing so many things like sports, water sports and all, fishing, and any sort of this one in the water games and all. So what did he do? Now he decided once again, okay, he decided to win over this fear. अपने इस fear को he decided to remove the fear permanently. And then what did he do? He hired a instructor. Instructor. Now he hired an instructor. एक उसने instructor को hire किया. Instructor. Okay, कोई जैसे trainer rather you can say. Instructor or trainer you can say. Trainer. He was very intelligent. Actually, he first talked to him in detail what are the problem he was facing and what is his experience. उसका जो experience था whatever. Now he made a special plan. उसने एक special plan बनाई. He just tied a belt. उसने एक belt tie की अपने over the training अपने training के ऊपर. He just tie a belt. उसके ऊपर एक belt tie waist के ऊपर एक belt and attached a rope. उससे rope attach कर. One end it was tied to the training. एक end उसका training के साथ बांध दिया. And other hand he was having in his hand over a pulley. Actually. They made some arrangement over a pulley. Actually. It was going over a pulley like this, and he was holding one end, and one end was there. Okay, and he told that this trainee or Douglas or narrator, you go into the water, you swim, and whatever problem you are facing, if in case you are in trouble, in case the same fear comes and you are in trouble, and you just give a shake, and I'll pull you up. You just give me a shake. आप मुझे थोड़ा you just shake the rope. इस रस्सी को हिला देना और pull the rope. I'll pull you up. मैं आपको उठाऊंगा. Because he was very experienced and very intelligent instructor. वो बहुत ही instructor like this he continued. और इसने like this he started making him a good swimmer. एक अच्छा swimmer बनाने की उसने कोशिश की. He also practiced many exercises of swimming, different type of swimming, inverted swimming, swimming with the chest and all. Okay, and just like a butterfly and all, moving into the water, and how to inhale and exhale in water. पानी में different small exercise he practiced each and everything very rather than in detail in detail. And finally, after 3 months, almost in 3 months, he was able to train him permanently. Now he was not having any fear after the training of 3 months. Then this trainer he told that okay, my job is over. From my side, you are now with the training. But in mind, he was having the same fear. अब उसके mind में fear भी था. But still, he was having a confidence of because he has acquired the new swimming skills. He was knowing now he knew how to swim. अब उसको swimming आती थी and he could tackle any sort of water problem whatever he faced during swimming. जो भी उसने swimming में जो भी प्रॉब्लम आती है वो फेस कर सकता है। नाउ आफ्टर दिस मंथ 3 months, now he decided to go into lake. Lake में जाने के लिए there are two lakes mentioned and he tried to go into that. Again the same fear when he was uh, swimming. जब वो swim कर रहा था again the same fear it came into his mind. उसके mind में वही fear आया. उसने कहा then he told in his because he was full of confidence. And then he told Mr. You want to create fear in my mind? क्या आप मुझे डराना चाहते हो? I'll show you what to do. And he started swimming here and there. It means he ignored that thing. It means all the whatever the emotion, feeling about this water or the fear of water he was having in his mind, he removed. And like this, he started swimming and almost 2 kilometers one side and 2 kilometers other side he started swimming without that. It means after this one he was a perfect swimmer. He was a perfect swimmer. He became perfect swimmer. Now what lesson we learn? What is the main lesson we learn from this chapter? First of all, the winners never quit. Because after two incidents, one is at the seashore. First little bit it was created by the Yakima River. Third one, there was a big incident at the YMCA pool. YMCA, I think he was not there for a common man, but he was a man of very strong determination, and he decided to conquer over the fear of water. तो पानी का उसका डर था. He tried to remove. What are the methods? He hired a trainer, instructor, and he was very intelligent and very experienced. Immediately he knew the problem of narrator. Narrator की जो problem थी उसको पता था, and he try to remove every minute point of fear. जो भी उसके छोटे छोटे fear के point थे, he tried to remove that. उसने उनको remove करने की कोशिश की. And like this, after 3 months, the trainer told, "My job is over. You can go for practice. You are a swimmer." Then he wanted to test his caliber. अपने caliber को test करना चाहते थे. And that's why he told you can. He thought that I should go alone now in the river. And after that, he tried 2-3 times in the big lake, some water, warm water lake, and some. There are two lakes mentioned in the chapter. And then he tried there. He went into the lake, up and down. He tried. He went down by swimming, and different type of swimming means under the water, over the water, swimming and all. He tried everything and finally he became a perfect swimmer. और इस तरह से वो एक बहुत अच्छा स्विमर बन गया. Okay, just you can listen, you can go through. Let's. Yes, students. This was the brief summary of this chapter, or deep water. Deep water. It is a story of the narrator. Actually, Douglas is the narrator here. Douglas. And Douglas, he was fearing of water. First of all, because of his mother told that Yakima River, it is very dangerous river, and she advised him not to go near to that river. उसके नजदीक जाने की कोशिश नहीं करना. When he was 2-3 years old, at that time his father took him to California beach, California, and they were standing on the seashore, on the bank, on the seashore. At that time, a very strong wave it came and swept over him. एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव लहर आई और उसके ऊपर से he was buried in water. वो पानी में मतलब दब गया था almost, and he lost his breath. उसमें उसकी सांस फूलने वाला ही था. And but father took it very lightly. He started laughing, but the boys, it created a permanent fear in the mind of that innocent child. और छोटे से बच्चे के mind में उसने एक permanent fear create कर दिया. And now he was fearing of water. He started fearing of water. पानी से उसने start कर दिया. But he was a very determined child. बहुत ही determined था. He decided to conquer over this fear. अपने उस fear को conquer करने के लिए, उस पर विजय प्राप्त करने के लिए उसने try किया. And first he went joined YMCA pool. It is a pool for the new trainer, new swimmers. उनके लिए था. And then there also one incident happened. Actually, he tried to remove and he used some wings and all, pedals and all. he started swimming there. But one day when no one was there, he went there and he waited. He was not having courage again because he was having a fear of water. पानी का हमेशा उसको डर था and he could not go inside. वो वहां नहीं गया. But at that time, a boy of 15 years, just a very strong boy, he came and he lifted him and threw him into the water. उसको पानी में उसने फेंक दिया. There he came. When he was going into the water, he was making plan how to come out of the water. कैसे? But he could not do it because it was just 9 feet at the another end, shallow, and it was 2 feet, and this deep was very gradual, धीरे धीरे था, so that the new swimmer keeping in use whatever the requirement of the new swimmers, जो नए swimmers थे उनकी requirement को ध्यान में रखते हुए, and all these things. Okay, and then he tried and he went there when someone has removed, someone has taken him out of the water, किसी ने निकाल दिया था, and on that day he went home. He was feeling very weakness and he was full of fear again. But again he decided to conquer over his fear. He decided to remove his fear of water, and then he hired a instructor. तब उसने एक instructor को hire किया, and then instructor, he was very efficient, very trained, very rather you can say experienced and very intelligent person. He immediately came to know the problem of narrator, and he trained him accordingly, उसी के according से. And he all the my small exercise, how to inhale in water, how to exhale, and different type of swimming, and he taught him. And he made a very special arrangement. This question is very important. How did the narrator became a perfect swimmer, or how did a full of fear of water, the narrator, how he was converted into a perfect swimmer, एक अच्छे swimmer में कैसे उसको convert कर दिया गया था. Okay, this was the chapter, and after 3 months he was able to conquer his fear of water. अपने पानी का जो fear था, he was able to conquer it, उस पे विजय प्राप्त कर पा रहा था. And now after 3 months he decided, he tried, because the trainer job was over. He has already given the full training. Now it was a matter of practice, and he started practicing in different pools, different lake, and different wherever he could get. And he tried in 2-3 lakes, and there up and down he went. And whenever the fear comes in his mind, he tried to remove it by saying that you cannot create fear now in my mind. अब आप मेरे दिमाग में वो fear create नहीं कर सकते. अब आप मेरे दिमाग में वो fear create नहीं कर सकते. Okay, 29, 27. Okay, students. So we after this one, we will start reading the chapter. We will start this chapter, reading the chapter, and 1 or 2 paragraph, whatever we can complete, we will complete that. Okay, so you can open your book, आप अपनी book खोलो, and we will start reading that one. This was the just brief summary introduction part. Yes, now we will start the chapter deep water. Okay, deep water. Now let's see. Let's read in this one. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. Means how the fear started. उसका fear कैसे start हुआ था when he was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. मतलब he decided that whatever fear he was having from the childhood, means when he was 2 3 years old, 3 or 4 years old, when he was having at that time, actually the fear of water it created in his mind, it because of some reason, because of some factors, there were other factors. And there was a pool at YMCA in the YMCA pool tha in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity, means it was a good opportunity to learn swimming in that YMCA pool, because it was made keeping in views all the requirement of the new swimmers, नए swimmers की वो करने के लिए ही वो YMCA pool बनाया था. Yakima River was very treacherous. Treacherous means very dangerous, deceptive. धोखेबाज means looking like something and actually having the same. And the mother continuously warned against it. उसकी mother ने उसको हमेशा warning की थी not to go near to that. And it kept fresh in his mind the details of the each drowning in the year. Means drowning in the river. Whatever the any person, if anyone has lost life in the river, she used to tell the name. It means she was telling all these stories of the that whatever how many people are drowned in that river. उस river में. But YMCA pool was safe because this pool was safe, very safe, and it was made. मतलब it was very safe. It was made very. From one side, it was only 2 feet deep. 2 feet deep था. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end. Shallow means which is having a less water, जहाँ पर कम पानी. And while it was 9 feet in the other end, और दूसरा end उसका 9 feet था. The drop was gradual. The drop that deep. It was gradual, and I got a pair of the water wings. He took the water wing for additional actually movement, getting the movement. एक ज़्यादा lift लेने के लिए. Actually, when we are swimming like aeroplane and all, there are 4 force effects. First one is the pulling force, another one is the drag and all. Okay, these are the so that we can have a proper force. हम अपना proper force. While it was 9 feet at the other end, the drop was gradual. I got a pair of wings, went to the pool. वो pool में चला गया after having a this one water wings, and it hated to walk naked into it. Now he was once I told him that he was unable to remove the clothes because he was very rather can say skinny. Skinny होते बिल्कुल पतला दुबला था, and he did not want to show his body and all, and his legs and all. It was very he was having a very thin legs उसकी बहुत थी, and show my skinny legs उसकी skinny. But I subdued my pride and do it. लेकिन उसने अपने subdued pressurized दबाना अपने जो feeling थी इसको दबा दिया. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water. Starting से ही मेरे पास aversion, avoiding, पानी को मैं avoid करता था, aversion. When I was in it, and water when I was in it. जब मैं उसमें जाता था, मैं तो I used to avoid the water because of the already I told in that this one introduction part. And this started when I was 3 or 4 years. ये कब था? 3 or 4 years old. And my father took me to the beach in California. California beach पे ले गया. And he and I stood together in the surf. वहाँ पर हम surf means near the water. पानी का जहाँ पानी होता है, जहाँ some foam and all जो foam बन जाती है पानी की because of the salt and the dirtiness in the water. जो sea water में dirtiness होती है या salt होता है उसके कारण because of the movement some foam is formed. वहाँ पर foam हो गई. I hung on to him, yet the wave knocked me. एक wave आई and knocked me down. मुझे गिरा दिया. And down and swept over me. और मेरे ऊपर से चली गई. Means he was completely buried in water. वो पूरा पानी में दब गया था. And I was buried in water. My breath was gone. उसकी सांस चली गई थी. I was frightened. मैं पूरा डर गया था. And the father laughed. लेकिन उसके father he took very lightly. It was not a, and he laughed. And there was a terror in my mind at the overpowering force of the waves. Because of the force of the waves, it was overpowering. उसकी जो ताकत के आगे थी, वेव की ताकत बहुत ज्यादा थी. And it overpowered. उसको मतलब काफी पावर बना दिया था. उसको उसने शक्तिशाली मतलब उसको झेल नहीं पा रहा था. And my introduction to the YMCA swimming pool. मेरी introduction जो YMCA swimming pool में है, revived unpleasant memories. Revived again came into my mind. दोबारा फिर मेरे mind में आ जाना. Unpleasant जो मतलब it was not a comfortable memory. And steered childish fear. And steered again it started moving. Childish fear, whatever fear he was having in the childhood में जो उसका fear था, वो उसको दोबारा फिर आ गया. But in little while, लेकिन थोड़ी देर में I gathered confidence. मैंने थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आया, मीन्स आफ्टर 1 or 2 days after having some experience, some practice there in the YMCA pool, he had some confidence. I paddled with my new water wings. मैंने अपने न्यू वाटर विंग्स के साथ पैडल किया, पैडल मीन जस्ट स्विमिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेग्स एंड ऑल. uh, Watching the other boys, means he tried to copy how the boys they were swimming, and trying to learn by apping them, apping nakal kar. And I did this 2 or 3 times, दो तीन बार किया on different days, and was just beginning to feel ease in water. And slowly he started feeling little bit comfortable in water, because of his actually fear, it was little bit reducing day by day, धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा था. And when the misadventures happened, तब एक misadventure, some incident happened there, what I explained there, जो मैंने वहां पर explain किया. Let's see how many students, participants. Yes, students. Anyone wants to ask anything? Yes. Anyone wants to ask anything? Okay, let's up to here only. We will read this chapter. ये chapter हम यहीं तक पढ़ेंगे, and tomorrow we'll continue the same chapter. कल ये chapter continue करेंगे. Yes. Ashok sir, you can wind the meeting, no problem. Yes, students. Have a nice day.